So write NetBeans on your browser and you will find the website netbeans.org to download NetBeans. You enter on this site. Then on the right hand side you will see the NetBeans IDE 802. Click on download. Alright, so this is the downloading platform. This is the platform. If you download from here, NetBeans will only work for Java SE. Then you have Java Enterprise, and the last one is the platform, NetBeans platform for all programming languages. Like if you download from here, it will work for Java SE, Java Enterprise, C++, HTML5, PHP, all. So this is the 205 megabyte sized file. You click on download. Now you have to save this file. Save file. It will take a couple of minutes to download your file. Once you have downloaded your file, you need to install now. So double click on this executable file. This is the NetBeans 802 for Windows. It will take a couple of minutes to complete the installation process. Just wait to complete the installation process. You have to click next. Then you have to accept terms and conditions of the license agreement. So check I accept the terms and click next. Again, you have to accept the terms and conditions. Now click next. You don't have to change anything here. Just click next now and click install. Again, few more minutes to complete the installation process. So just wait and see the installation process. Now just click finish. Now you got your NetBeans installation in your system. So you can open from here, or also you can open from the start menu. So double click this shortcut to open NetBeans IDE. Okay. So this is the NetBeans interface. So we'll write programming code using the NetBeans from the next lecture.